When thinking about invasive marine pests, the logical thing to do is to chuck them out, evict them, get rid of them. When we're looking at a couple of examples, Asterias amurensis, Northern Pacific seastar, Undaria pinnatifida, the Wakame from Japan, what you want to do is get them out of there. And here's the steadily creeping tide of death from Japan, the Northern Pacific seastar that we're all too familiar with in southern Australia. This one crawling, maintaining quite a steady rate with its tube feet across unconsolidated sediment. You'll see in this next example a starfish stationary on top of the sand, again unconsolidated sediment. Easy to take these off and get rid of them. When they're on the mussel beds like these two feeding here, a bit more difficult. By removing these marine pests, this is what we're trying to avoid, a situation like we see here off Gloucester Reserve near the Williamstown Lifesaving Club. Starfish wherever you care to look. Very high numbers here, and they're obviously attracted to the mussel beds. By removing these pests, what we're trying to avoid is this sort of situation. This is moving down a couple of 100 metres. You can see there's nothing there. Whether this is all due to the Northern Pacific seastar or not might be a different story. So what do we do for Undaria pinnatifida? This one's a little bit more complicated, the Japanese kelp. It sits around and harbours a variety of different invertebrate and vertebrate life. What we have here is some caprellid amphipods utilising the Japanese kelp. This example, we can see a leather jacket peering out from the Undaria, clearly using it as a form of shelter. And in this next shot here, we've got some marine gastropods sheltering using the holdfast of the algae. If you want to go ripping this stuff out, it is foreseeable that you will do damage to the local area to an extent. Is it fair to say that a pest like Undaria over time will get integrated into the local ecology and possibly cause a lot less damage than Asterias amurensis? I think that is a possibility.